Hey guys, this is William from forexstrategieswork.com, and I have been asked many times, how do we install MT4 indicators? How do we install MT4 templates? Now in this video, I'm going to show you how, or to me, the simplest way to install MT4 indicators and MT4 templates. And in this example, I'm going to use one of my indicators called the EasyPeasyPips as an example. So first of all, open up your Windows Explorer and go to where the files are. The template file should be known as .tpl and the indicator file is .ex4. I am going to go ahead and copy both of these files. Okay, once I've copied it, well, you can close the Explorer. I have to come to my MT4 and open the data folder. So this is where we're going to put all these two files in. And when you come in here, you probably see a bunch of other folders. Okay, so once we are here, I will have to now paste the two files that I had into this data folder. And here I have my EasyPeasyPips.ex4 and I have my EasyPeasyPips.tpl. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to take the .tpl and paste into the template folder. Oops, here we go. Okay, so that file is into the templates folder, and I am going to take the easypeasy.ex4 file and transfer it into the MQL4 folder. But actually the end destination is I have to put it into the indicator folder. And once I've done that, the job is done. It's that simple. Nothing complex, just copy or cut and paste into the right files into the right folder, and that's it. So once that's done, it will be a good idea to come over to your indicator navigator and indicator and press refresh. Okay, and once that is done, the hard part is over. Okay, let's open a new forex chart. I'm just going to take USD CAD, right click on chart window, new charts open. So right now let's install the template file first. To install the template file, we need to go to charts, under template, load template, and here I'll just select EasyPeasyPips.tpl. Just open it, boom. This template, however, it will come out, and I have a nice template on using this EasyPeasyPips template. Next, I'm looking for the indicator. Again, it's the EasyPeasyPips indicator, and here is the indicator. Let's drag and drop. Okay. So in this indicator, for example, I'll just explain a little bit. The buy background color will be light cyan if it's an uptrend. Sell background color will be pink. So once I install, I'll be looking for these clues to make sure the indicator is working. Okay. So right now I don't see any color change. That's probably because there is really no good signal right now, but I can see an arrow here, so it shows that the EasyPeasyPips indicator is in action already. Okay, but let's look at some other. I need to see a background change. Oh yeah, here. So remember, light cyan means it's an uptrend, and right now the indicator is showing on a weekly chart of USD CAD with a light cyan background. That means this is an uptrend. Yeah, Whether it's real or not, it's another matter. That's another video. But what I just want to show you is how to see if your indicator is working. Another way is to right click, come to the indicator list and click on it, and here I see EasyPeasyPips on the list, and it shows that it is already working. Okay, so with this I'm going to put back this into a H1 chart. There's really no signals here. That's it. And installing a template or a MT4 indicator is as simple as this. With a bit of practice, you will be quite well versed, and you will find that installing MT4 indicators will be a breeze. So with this, I will end this video. My name is William from forexstrategieswork.com. I welcome you to sign up for our free daily price action newsletter. Link is right below. So with that, I'll see you in the next video.